ch4. I close my eyes and drift off. I see the race. Vanessa sits in lane 5, stretching out. Her long nails painted deep red, her racing glasses flashing back the late morning sun. I remember thinking that Vanessa has been good for me. Her superior attitude, her mind games, her domination of 400 meters. It's been good for me. Vanessa glances over her shoulder, waiting for me to get into my blocks before she gets down in hers. It's part of her game. She likes to be the last one standing. This time I don't mind. I'm through being sucked into her psyche out. I feel calm, confident. Kiro has been helping me focus. He's been building me up mentally and physically, coaching me for this moment. I give Vanessa a little smile and nod from my position in lane 4. She's in red and yellow, Langston High School colors. I'm in Liberty High blue and gold. Even my colors feel light, like the sun and the sky floating above me. I'm down in the blocks now, ready to fly. Vanessa makes her final adjustments, then holds steady. The gun goes off and all runners shoot forward. It's a flurry of steps, spikes against track. They thunder around me, but somehow sound miles away. By the first bend, we find our stride. My kick is good, strong and long. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. My arms are pumping, but they are smooth, almost relaxed. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. My breathing's open, flowing, and I barely feel my feet touching down. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Suddenly I'm floating, flying, soaring around the track. The thunder fades behind me, and the staggered start has me at a mental advantage. I can see Vanessa, but she can only feel me behind her moving in. At the 200-meter mark, the field has widened. All except for Vanessa and me. We've tightened. We crest at the 300, then face rigor mortis bend. Vanessa knows I'm here, on a trail. We're down to grit and guts, so I dig in. Dig deep. She does the same. We battle along the straightaway. My leg burning, aching, empty. Shoulder to shoulder, I force one last push and dug over the finish line in front of her. 55 flat. Kiro shouts, 55 flat. It's a new personal best for me, a new record for the league. It's also the last race of my life. My finish line.